नमस्कार, मैं हूं दीपिका चिखलिया टोपीवाला। आप सब ने मुझे रामायण सीरियल में सीता की भूमिका निभाते हुए देखा होगा। जी हाँ, I'm very happy to announce that I'm coming to Delhi on the 27th of May 2022 for a signature event of Indo-Global Entrepreneurship Conclave organized by the Business Connect magazine. I would like to thank Abhishek Dubey ji, the media publisher, for extending the invitation, and also would like to congratulate all the winners in advance. I hope to see you all there. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
Namaste. My name is Kishore Kumar Yadav, CEO of Federal Soft Systems organization, and I'm quite excited to meet all entrepreneurs in Indo-Global Entrepreneurship Conclave, which is going to happen in Hyatt Centric Hotel in New Delhi on 27th. Let's catch up there and let's have fun along with all entrepreneurs. Thank you so much, and thanks to Business Connect for organizing this conclave.
Hi, this is Kishore Kapuvedi, Managing Director from Federal Soft Systems. I'm so excited to participate in Indo-Global Conclave 2022 meet in New Delhi. I'm very much positive to meet all of you guys. So we'll see you in Delhi. Thank you so much.
First of all, I congratulate Business Connect, India's one of the leading magazine, for organizing Indo-Global Entrepreneurship Conclave IGEC 2022 on a very important subject, that is accelerating business growth in the post-COVID scenario. We all know that COVID-19 sufferings and disruptions of lives and livelihoods.
Hi, I am Manas Das, CEO and Director of Exabyte Infotech. I will be joining the Indo-Global Business Connect Entrepreneurship Conclave on 27 May at Hyatt Centric, New Delhi. I would like to convey a lot of thanks to Business Connect magazine for organizing such mega event. Thank you.
I am DKM Rao, Executive Director, Icon Industrial Engineering Services Private Limited. I will be joining the Indo-Global Business Connect Entrepreneurship Conclave on 27th May 2022 at Hyatt Centric in New Delhi. I would like to thank Business Connect magazine for organizing this mega event.
Hi, this is Nitin Mittal, founder Nitin Mittal and Company, Chartered Accountants. I will be participating in the Indo-Global Business Connect Entrepreneurship Conclave, which is going to be held on 27th of May 2022 at Hyatt Centric. I am really thankful to Business Connect magazine for organizing this mega event and giving me the opportunity to participate. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sapna Oswal from shopaholic.co.in. I'll be joining the Indo-Global Entrepreneurship Conclave, which is happening in Delhi on 27th of May 2022 at Hyatt Centric. I'm really thankful to Business Connect magazine for organizing such a mega event. Thank you once again.
Hi, I'm Dr. Asif. I'm the Director at Caroline Healthcare Private Limited. I'll be joining the Indo-Global Business Connect Conclave at Hyatt Centric on the 27th of this May. I'd like to thank the Business Connect magazine for organizing this mega event. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Sreyoshi Karmakar, Director of SNIB Services Private Limited. We are an integrated facility management company with pan-India presence. I'm delighted to inform you that I'll be joining Indo-Global Business Connect Entrepreneurship Conclave on 27th of May at Hyatt Centric, Janakpuri.
Hi guys, I'm Akash Anand, the founder and CEO of Idam House of Brands. I'm happy to tell you that I'll be attending the Indo-Global Entrepreneurship Conclave on the 27th May 2022, hosted by Business Connect. Looking forward to seeing all of you there and networking with the likes of us. Thanks.
Hi, I am Puneet Azad from Industrial IT Solutions. I will be joining Indo-Global Business Connect Entrepreneurship Conclave on the 27th May 2022 at Hyatt Centric, New Delhi. I thank Business Connect magazine to organize such a mega event. All the best.
Hi, I'm Sahil Nair, the co-founder and COO of Idam House of Brands. And I'm excited to be attending the Indo-Global Entrepreneurship Conclave in New Delhi on the 27th of May. I want to thank the partners for extending the invitation, and I'm looking forward to networking with all of you there.
Hi, my name is Sheetal Patnikar. I am the founder MD and the CEO of 72010 Network, a media and sports consulting company in Mumbai, in India. Glad to share with you that I will be part of the Indo-Global Business Connect Entrepreneurship Conclave at the Hyatt Centric in New Delhi. Would like to thank Business Connect magazine for organizing this event. Look forward to seeing you there.
Good morning, friends. I am Vikas Gupta, founder and CEO of eYash Automotive Private Limited. I will be joining the Indo-Global Business Connect Entrepreneurship Conclave 27th May 2022 at Hyatt Centric in New Delhi. I would like to thank Business Connect magazine for organizing this mega event.
Hi guys, I'm Niket Goyal, CEO of ISA Digital Solutions. I will be joining Indo-Global Business Connect Entrepreneurship Conclave on 27th May 2022 at Hyatt Center, Janakpuri. I will be thankful for organizing this such event, and we'll see you there for networking. Bye-bye.
Hi, I am Nagma Abbasi from Nexon Life Sciences Private Limited. I'll be joining the Indo-Global Business Connect Entrepreneurship Conclave on 27th May 2022 at Hyatt Centric, New Delhi. I would like to thank Business Connect magazine for organizing such mega event. Best wishes.
Hi, I am Dr. P.B. Bose, founder and chairman of Osaka Group of Companies. Will be joining the Indo-Global Business Connect Entrepreneurship Conclave on 27th May 2022 at Hyatt Centric in New Delhi. I would like to thank the Business Connect magazine for organizing this mega event. All the best.
I, Dr. Chhabi Sinha Chavan, Professor and Head Research at MIT College of Management, MIT ADT University, Pune, will be joining the Indo-Global Business Connect Entrepreneurship Conclave on 27th May 2022 at Hyatt Centric in New Delhi. I would like to thank Business Connect magazine for organizing this mega event. Thank you.
Hi, I am Anurag Sharma, Founder Director, United Art Logistics India Private Limited. I am attending the Entrepreneurship Conclave organized by Business Connect at Hyatt Centric, Janakpuri. I am really thankful to Business Connect.
Single Director, Vaidut Road Carriers Private Limited, Pune. We are into the FMCG transportation pan-India. I am excited to be attending the Indo-Global Business Connect Entrepreneurship Conclave in New Delhi, organized by the Business Connect magazine on 27th May 22. I look forward to connect with you all. Thank you.
Hello, I am Aseem Asrani, Director of Suresh Kumar & Company Impex Private Limited. We will be attending the Indo-Global Business Connect Entrepreneurship Conclave on 27th May 2022. I want to congratulate Business Connect magazine for organizing such a mega event. All the best.
Hi, I am Furkan Saifi, the Director in Caroline Healthcare Private Limited. I'll be joining the Indo-Global Pacific Connect Entrepreneurship Conclave on 27th May 2022 at Hyatt Centric in New Delhi. I would like to thank Business Connect magazine for organizing this mega event. Thank you.
Hi, this is Tanmay Goyal, founder and CEO of Triumph. So I will be joining the Indo-Global Business Entrepreneurship Conclave on 27th of May 2022 in Delhi, Hyatt Centric. I want to thank Business Connect for organizing such a mega event on large scale, and I'm really looking forward to join the event on 27th May. Best of luck.
Hello, this is Tarun Arora, co-founder and CTO at New Age Global Technologies Private Limited. We'll be joining the Indo-Global Entrepreneurship Conclave at Hyatt Centric, hosted by Business Connect magazine. Thank you for the mega event and all the best.
Hi everyone, my name is Matish Kumar and I am the Director of Virinchi Development Services Private Limited. It's a national level technical agency which provides technical assistance to many international as well as national level developmental agencies. I'll be joining the Indo-Global Business Connect Entrepreneurship Conclave on 27th May 2022 at Hyatt Centric, New Delhi. I am really very thankful to Business Connect magazine for organizing this mega event. Thank you.
I, Dr. Urvashi Makkar, Director IMS Ghaziabad. I'm happy to share that I'm going to join Indo-Global Business Connect Entrepreneurship Conclave to be organized on 27th of May in Hyatt Centric, New Delhi. I'm so sure that this great platform which has been created by Business Connect will benefit a lot of academicians and industry experts. Looking forward to see you all. Thank you.